Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2017 Buick Encore Premium Group all-wheel drive, stock number Z9215A. Very low miles, only 17,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Encore brand new, Ebony Twilight metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory warranty, 4-year 50,000 mile bumper to bumper, and a 6-year 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior. Rear seats fold down for additional cargo space. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, forward collision alert, backup camera, along with front and rear parking sensors, all helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover as well as cargo net. Custom fit rubber mat throughout for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This premium group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, 9-speaker Bose sound system, power driver's seat, along with memory settings for 2 drivers, power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 17,000 miles. Cruise control. It's also where you set the forward collision alert. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for climate, along with heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Encore has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tires tread left. For more information on this Encore, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.